This is Emmeline on her first birthday. You need a drink of water? Maybe Daddy will get you some water. Okay, we should have started taping earlier because she's already pretty much demolished her cake, but
oh well.
It's in the diaper bag. Is that good cake, Emmy? Is it good? Yeah, can you say hi? Yeah, hi. Say hi. I had a good birthday. Yeah, I know. That cake makes you really thirsty. The cake part's pretty good too, huh? Yeah. Is it good? Oh, goodness. Okay, well, that's alright. Is it good? Cake! Birthday cake! You're a little bit of a mess, baby doll. Really? Oh, okay. Mommy's getting a phone call. Maybe I should go. Alright, everybody. This was Emmeline's first birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, happy birthday. Can you wave bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.